Oh, that is beautiful. Wow, that's quite brilliant. Before we jump into this video review and installation, you're probably wondering about colors. Now, if you have a conventional light similar to mine, you have a white and a black coming out of the ceiling, along with the ground, of course. So where do those white and black correspond to on your lighting unit? Well, if you were to get everything connected, you will see these two little guys coming off right here. Don't pay any attention to that guy. That was just existing from my own home. But you'll see the brown. The brown goes to black, and then the blue goes to white. And then obviously the actual ground will be connected to the fixture itself. All right, so we have the largest of the rings, the medium rings, and then the smaller rings. You'll probably see that those are already pre-threaded. I screwed those on, and now we need to put this little guy. That's easy to put on, but this little guy is the smallest of the ones. Do keep in mind that the smaller of the thread, so there's a long thread on the bottom and the short thread up top, see that? That short thread needs to go down. So that's what we're going to do on the remaining middle-sized ring. Next, you're gonna get the base, and you are going to thread these two holes through these corresponding bolts. Then you're gonna get a washer. You're gonna slip it over like so, as well as a hexagon nut, and we're gonna put that on. Then you're gonna take this entire unit that you just made with the largest of the rings, and then you're gonna get the middle rings, set them out like so, and then you're going to place this right on top. So these two holes are going to correspond with these two bolts. Thread on a washer, thread on the little nut. Now you're gonna get this entire unit, and you're going to put the smallest of the rings like so, and they're going to correspond with those two middle holes right in there. Now this step might take a little bit of creativity and jerry-rigging, because I am actually putting my fixture on an existing box. This little unit right here has a bolt going in there and there. So as you can see, this is all locked in there, and so we are ready to take these little bolts off, or these nuts rather, and slide the unit on and then clamp it down. All right, now before we lock this in all the way, I want to show you guys how to pair the remote to your light. Apparently you only have to do this one time, which is why I'm filming this, so that if I make a mistake, you don't have to replicate this. All right, so first of all, it says put batteries in the remote control. The switch is off, all right? And then there's an on button. And we are going to hold the on button on for 5 seconds, pointing at the light. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we're going to flick it on. The ceiling light will flash continuously, and the on button can be released. Pairing is now complete. And this is my first impression of the light. Wow, it's not even in the ceiling all the way, and that is bright. Oh, I like that. That really lights up the room.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome.
It makes it so cheery. I am glad that they gave all of these accessories, because in order to jerry-rig this thing, it took quite a bit of muscle. I'm actually sweating a little bit. My hands were up there in the sky for ages, and my shoulders are shaking. But you know what? It's pretty much in there. Let's go ahead and turn it on, and we've just paired it, and there it goes. Oh, that is beautiful. Wow, that's quite brilliant. One thing to keep in mind with this is that with a lot of LED lights, when you turn it on, there is a little bit of a delay. Did you get that? So a slight delay, it's not instantaneous. And one other thing to keep in mind is, well, I saw in another review, let's go ahead and actually change the color temperature, which is kind of difficult because on my phone it automatically adjusts the white balance, but right now it is very yellow according to my eyes. And so if we were to leave this on for 10 seconds, and then we go and turn it off, and then turn it back on, it will resume in this state. But the key is to keep it on for 10 seconds. I think I saw in another review, someone said, well, it reverts back to the state of the blue, for example. So It's really yellow right now, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it off. And we're gonna go ahead and turn it back on and see if it remains in that yellow state that I set it to. And it is at the yellow state. Good job. For my particular uses, it's a little too yellow, so we're gonna make it a bit more cool. And I like that. Well, how about right there? That's good. We'll keep that right there. All right.